How to fix GTA 5 crash on loading screen easy and quick. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix it. First, all you need to do just open settings, type here background apps, click on it, and now scroll down until you find background apps. And here you will find it like that. All you need to do just turn off all the applications that you don't need, or you can just turn off first option to turn all of those applications here. After that just close the applications that you don't need here, right click and then cancel, right click and last one, and that's it. Then just open it again, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.